Welcome back, everybody. I'm not going to waste any time. We're just going to get right into it. I got a pair of football cleats. Client said he wanted Lion King. Keep most of the shoe white. And this is what I came up with.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
That's a wrap. I hope you liked them. Again, customer asked for the shoe to be kept mostly white. Taking that and the information of just Lion King and incorporating it the way that I wanted to, that was the result. And actually, I was super pleased with it, and so was the customer. So all in all, I would say a good custom. Now, I know it's been a while, but I'm back. I'm going to try to make more videos. I know I keep saying that, but I just have to get in a groove, and I feel like I'm finally in that place where I can get in a groove. So if you're not already, please subscribe. I promise you I've got more content coming. I've got a couple cool ideas, basically just around custom shoes. But I got a couple special ones that I really want to highlight, so I'm going to make videos out of them. So go ahead, like, share, subscribe, do what you got to do. And if you don't want to, you don't want to. That's fine too. I'm just glad that you watched, and I'll see you in the next one.